at the top of our bracket here at the DreamHack Pro Circuit, patiently waiting to see who will join them and try and contest their attempt here to acquire the DreamHack Montreal crown. Hello, I am your host, Wade Dreadnought Penfold, and our teams with the opportunity to join them up there is going to be the Peeps and Renault Vitality. It is a very, very interesting tale unfolding here. Gibbs and Turtle, guys, the reason I say it is interesting is the youth and hope coming out of the Peeps mixed with the just accredited, all my experience of Renault Vitality.
David versus Goliath, and it's just nuts. Because normally, like a team, like if they're young and they make a run, it's like, well, they had one other run maybe a year ago or so. No, the Peeps, this is the first time on a championship Sunday, and they're making moves.
Yeah, and I mean, they're young players, but then you look at the other side, and they're Scrub Killer at the youngest age, pretty much, and he has been a prodigy, and now he's sitting happily at the top, and he's trying to get back there at this DreamHack, and it is going to be intense.
So let's talk about some of the positives as to why the Peeps have found themselves in this position, right? We have, first thing I think you got to consider on the front line, an offensive front, is Reynolds and the impact he's had there. But then when you look at the last series, Gyro. The man played out of his mind. Even tweeted that was the best series he has ever played in his life. And he's going to need to do it again if they're going to win here.
That might be the best game I've ever seen from him. Game 5, when everything's on the line, he basically